Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 1 star and one with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Otherwise, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Anyway, the first Sudoku I will solve is the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku number 5409. 5409. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, we have here 3 2s, we have here 4 3s. Alright, we have here 1 4, 3 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s, okay, and 2 8s and 2 9s. So the 3s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with 3? Let me see. Well, will be difficult. I need to wait. How about the 7 then? 7 7. No, I cannot start with the 7. Well, let me see. We need to find another solution. We have here 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We have a 4 in the last column. We have a 4 in that column. So the column between, and the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 4 4. Well, will be difficult. 4 4 4. Need to wait with the 4 now. How about the 1? No. Yeah, the 1 in the third column. 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1. 5 5. 3. Think. 2. 6 6. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5, 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in the second row. So no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 4 4. Well. Let me see. 6 6. The 7 is is missing here. 3. Come on. Where's the opening? The 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 3. Yeah. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So first column, only 2 places left for the 3. Should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. 7, 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9. It goes there. 9, 9. And we have here, I believe, the 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1, 1, okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2, 2. Then 7. How about these 3 missing numbers in this second column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Okay, here we have 4. That means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have here 2 missing numbers, 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this third column. So, oh no. We have a 5 there. We have a 5 in the third column, 5 in one of these 3 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. Right. 4, 9, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, you have a 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and 6 in this box. The 4 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other 2 boxes in this big square are the numbers. Here we have 4, 5, and the 6. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 4, the 5, and the 6. The 7. No. 7 is missing. These are the 2 and the 9. And 8 is missing. So the 7 and 8. 7 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. okay. The one. Thinking. 4. Yeah. 6. 9. 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 5 there. 2, 5. And a 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in the last row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. 1. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 2. Well, we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here also a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there in this row, here or there. You see another 2 in this column, no 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. Then. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Right. 4, 6, 8. Okay. 4, 5, 6. Need to think. 2. But the 9 here. Then, and 8 should be here, 8 should be there. Thinking 2, 4, 3, 6, 8, 1. Yeah. Come on, this is taking too long. 1 is missing here. 1, 4, 4, and 8 could be everywhere. I'm thinking. We have a pair, the 2 and a 6 in this column, the 2 and a 6 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Okay, so these 2 should be the 1 and the 8. Okay, 1 and 8. 1, 8, and 4. Yeah. 4, 4. We have a 2 and a 9 here, 2 and a 6 there. 1, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 it goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between and the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So, yeah, definitely a 2 stars. And I like this 1. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 3 puzzles. The binary, the tectonic, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.